Hi guys! Today I am going to show you how to use Word Online for free. Yes, that's right, it is free. So first open your internet browser and go to office.com. And sign in to your Microsoft account. Then click on the Microsoft Word icon and click on New Blank Document. Then you will be landed on this Microsoft Word web page view. As you can see, this is exactly like Microsoft Word app, but it is a little bit different. The downsides of this app is you will always need an internet connection. You can't use it offline. You can do pretty much everything that you can do in the desktop app. You can even change the font of the text. There are a lot of fonts that you can choose for free. But what about the fonts with a diamond icon? It means it is only for premium users only. Don't believe me? I'll show you. And that's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe and comment. I'll see you in the next video.